Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to add a passkey on the Binance app. First, open the Binance app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up your account on Binance. Then tap on the Binance icon provided at the top left corner. Now you'll see your Binance account and tap on it. Here, tap on Security and you'll see the passkey option. After that, you can tap on Passkeys and hit the Add Passkey button. Following that, choose an authenticator such as Passkey. Then it'll give you the box to enter the Authenticator app verification. In the next step, go to the Google Authenticator app on your mobile phone. After that, you can copy the passkey that will be provided on the Google Authenticator app. Here, the screen is not showing due to some privacy reasons. Now you can go back to the Binance app and paste the copied passkey in the given area. In the end, hit the Submit button and you'll be able to add a passkey on the Binance app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.